We're doing it again, baby! Let's go! Hi there, and welcome at Smelly Art. We're back for a new episode of where I turn one of my son's drawings into a finished illustration, and let's have a look at what he came up with this time. So as you can see, it's a robot with some interesting colors, with the orange and the blue. Very interesting also is that he has a hand on one side and some kind of clamp on the other side, so we have to use that in the illustration as well. The arms and the legs are quite thin, so we have to take that in consideration when we make our drawing. As you can see, the eyes are not the same size. We have to think about that when making our drawing. And very interesting, there is a big cannon on his shoulder. And last but not least, there is a very cool detail. I'm going to come a little closer again. You can see here, our robot has roller skates on his feet. So as you can see, this is a very cool design. I'm really looking forward to make this one. So let's not wait any longer and let's get drawing. So that wraps up our episode for this week. I for sure had a lot of fun and I hope you did as well. If you did, please leave a comment in the comment section. Subscribe if you aren't already and hit the bell if you want to be notified if I put up new content. Like I said, it's every Friday. I will put up a new video with new art challenges, new illustrations. It's a lot of fun. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who you think might enjoy this kind of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. I really love this series where I turn kids' drawings into finished illustrations. Kids are so creative and they challenge me to be creative as well. And maybe you are one of my younger viewers or you have kids who like to draw. And if you want me to turn one of these drawings into a finished illustration in one of my future videos in this series, don't hesitate to leave a comment so that we can hook up. That's it for now. I'll see you next Friday. What kind of illustration or drawing challenge would you like me to do in future videos? Please let me know in the comment section. If you like the content of this video, maybe it's a good idea to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any content I put up in the future. It would mean a lot. High resolution versions of all my drawings can be found on deviantart.com/smully. And if you like to stay in touch through social media, you can follow me there as well. You can find all links down below in the comment section. That's it for now. We'll see each other again next Friday for a new Smully Art video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.